What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Facebook Marketplace Monday. And the past couple weeks, I've been extremely hard on Facebook because a lot of it is very overpriced trucks. However, this week we found an amazing deal on a truck, and if you're in the market for a truck, you should go buy it. Let's check it out. So here it is. It is a 2011 F350 Lariat. So if we read the description here, it has a loaded interior, leather heated and cooled seats, tow package, remote start, power rear window, backup camera, lots of new parts including drive shaft, brakes, water pump, thermostat. Heads were replaced 30,000 miles ago. If you know about these early 6.7s, they were having problems with the heads. So if this truck just had some head work done, it should be good to go for quite a while after this now. Transmission and turbo have been replaced. Likewise, the turbos also have had some problems on the 11 to 14 trucks. So I'm very glad to see they got that all taken care of as well. Has adjustable rear springs, SCT tunes with transmission tuning. It's been a work truck and has rust and dents. Could use a couple minor things, but runs and drives strong. Looking to trade. We'll take reasonable cash offers. Please be aware that before lowballing me that this truck books for 16,000, and I'm selling much lower. This truck is an absolute steal of a deal. If we look here, like over the rear wheel wells here, there is no rust on that truck. The cab corners look pretty good from here. And like, yeah, this truck is just very, very clean. We'll leave it zoomed in a little bit here. Here we have another picture of it. There's kind of a noticeable dent right there on the side, but just an absolutely beautiful truck. Like, I mean, just look at the front end here. It's not all beat up and dinged up. Nice tinted windows. This one was a pretty high spec truck. We do have the turn signals and chrome mirror caps on this truck. Here we go. I have a shot of the interior here. Here we have the heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive. It is very, very dirty, but that's to be expected out of a work truck. Nothing in good detail wouldn't help. Here you go. You have the rear view camera up in the mirror, as they did in the early trucks here. Lots of black ice air fresheners. Link down below. Here you go. This truck does not have a sunroof, but a lot of people might think that's a good thing. Sunroofs cause a lot of problems, so yeah. Now, I'm not quite sure what these seats look like underneath these seat covers, but presumably they're in pretty good shape. Here, once again, you just have a very, very dirty truck, but yeah, nothing a good detail wouldn't fix. The rocker panels are not bad at all. I'm just, yeah, really impressed with what condition this truck is in. It is in very good condition, in my opinion. That's not to say mechanically it's perfect, but I think if you're looking for a cheap 6.7, this truck is definitely the one to have. Here he has a video. We can see a little bit of rust here right down the wheels. But yeah, just overall, very nice truck. If we look here, this truck is getting 19 miles to the gallon, so that gives you a huge insight to how this truck was given. This truck was not hot rodded and beat around. This truck was driven pretty responsibly to get 19 miles to the gallon out of it. So the steering wheel does show a considerable amount of wear. But yeah, just overall, for a cheap 6.7, this truck would be a phenomenal truck to have. So let me know down below if you guys think I should go buy this truck, or if I should pass if there's something I missed that's wrong with it. So yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching.